welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most talked about topics in the digital world, the difference between a free VPN and a paid VPN. And before you forget, click the like and subscribe button to always notice future videos. Before we dive into the differences, let me quickly introduce you to VPN.Surf. VPN.Surf is a user-friendly VPN service that provides both free and paid versions. With VPN.Surf, you can enjoy the best security features, including encryption and anonymous browsing, without compromising your internet speed. Plus, it's available on multiple devices and platforms. So, if you're interested in using a VPN, be sure to check out our services here at VPN.Surf. Now, let's talk about the differences between a free VPN and a paid VPN. The most significant difference between the two is the level of security they provide. Free VPNs are known to be less secure as they usually lack the necessary security features. This means that your data may not be fully encrypted, making it easier for hackers to access your information. On the other hand, paid VPNs come with robust security features that offer better protection against online threats. Another difference is the bandwidth and speed. Free VPNs usually have limited bandwidth and slower speeds, which can be frustrating if you're streaming or downloading large files. However, paid VPNs offer unlimited bandwidth and faster speeds, making them a better option if you're someone who needs reliable and consistent internet speed. Free VPNs can be risky when it comes to privacy. This is because these VPNs make money by selling their users' data to third-party companies, which can compromise your privacy. These companies collect data such as your browsing history, search queries, and even your physical location, and use this information for targeted advertising or other purposes. On the other hand, paid VPNs have a strict no-logs policy, which means that they do not collect any information about your online activities. This ensures that your online activities remain private and secure, and your data is not sold to third-party companies. This makes paid VPNs a better option if you're concerned about your online privacy. Furthermore, free VPNs may also be limited in terms of the countries and servers they have available. This can be a problem if you're trying to access content from a specific location. Paid VPNs, on the other hand, offer a wider range of server locations, allowing you to access content from different regions around the world. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing a VPN service, there are many factors to consider. While free VPNs may seem like an attractive option, they come with many risks and limitations. Investing in a paid VPN service like VPN.Surf is a smart choice if you're serious about your online privacy and security. Not only do they offer better security features, faster speeds, and wider server locations, but they also come with a strict no-logs policy that ensures your data remains private and secure. So, that's it for today's video. I hope this has helped you understand the difference between free and paid VPNs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.